In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal as a payment method in the Google Play Store on your computer or Android device. Before we begin, a quick note. The most reliable way to link PayPal is through a web browser, either on your computer or on your Android device, because the browser flow usually shows the PayPal option clearly. Also, PayPal availability depends on your region. For example, some countries, including parts of Southeast Asia like the Philippines, may or may not see the option depending on Google and PayPal support in that area. If you don't see PayPal, it's likely a regional limitation rather than a problem with your account. Let's start on a computer. Open your preferred web browser and go to play.google.com/store/account. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use on your Android device so the payment method syncs properly. Once you're on your account page, look for payments and subscriptions, then open payment methods. Choose Add a Payment Method and select PayPal from the list. You'll be redirected to a secure PayPal window. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal account and the phone number linked to that account. PayPal will send you a one-time code to verify it's really you, so check your messages and enter that code when prompted. Review and agree to the terms, and your PayPal will be linked to your Google Play account. Now, if you prefer to do this on your Android device, open the Google Play Store app and tap your profile icon in the top right. From there, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. Tap More Payment Settings, which will open a Google Payments page, and then choose Add a Payment Method. If PayPal is available in your region, you'll see it as an option. Select PayPal, sign in with your credentials, complete any verification prompts, and confirm. Once that's done, your PayPal account will be available as a payment method for apps, games, subscriptions, and other purchases through Google Play. If you don't see PayPal as an option, double check that you're signed into the correct Google account, try the browser method again, and ensure your Google Play country matches the country in your PayPal account. Keeping the Play Store and your browser updated can also help the option appear. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.